In manufacturing, every second counts like never before. Some jobs demand more than skill. They demand longer reach, stability, precision, and a tool that won't flinch when the job gets tough.
Meet the all-new UR8 Long. Precision built to extend your reach further and optimize every cycle even more. With a 1,750mm reach, a compact 204mm footprint, and a smaller wrist, it fits into tight setups and tackles tasks that bigger industrial arms can't.
Program it by hand in minutes and refine with intuitive software. More output per shift, less downtime. Just cleaner arcs, smoother motion, and consistent performance.
And certified to UL 1740 standards, so it's safe to run in shared spaces. Whether you're dealing with long seams or narrow production windows, UR8 Long handles the repetitive, the awkward, the dangerous, so your team can focus on the work that matters most. Need to pivot fast? UR8 Long scales with your line. Whether you're shifting to electric vehicles, increasing batch variety, or closing labor gaps, flexibility isn't a feature, it's the foundation.
From spark to seam, from tray to inspection, this is automation that extends your reach without compromising control. More consistency, more coverage, and more ROI per square meter.
The all-new UR8 Long. Long reach, lean footprint, no compromise.